everyone, this is Justin from 2866 Robotics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to check if something is not true in a if else statement. So last time we learned how to check if something was true. So we could have int x equals 5, and then we could do if x equals 5, then do something. However, what if we wanted to check if x wasn't 5? Well, instead of doing the double equal sign, we would do, at least for primitive variables, which again, I'll explain in a later video, but all you need to know is primitive variables include ints, doubles, and floats. You would do this. Exclamation mark equals 5. This exclamation mark means that it is not. So then we could write if x equals 5, if x isn't equal to 5, system.out.print line x 5, and then else we could have system.println x equals 5. And now if we test this, it will tell us that x equals 5. There we go. And of course, you could use this for like floats as well. So we could have like 5.5f. Then if it is 5.5, don't do it. Otherwise, do it. And then if we run that again, it will tell us that x is 5.5f. And this, you might be wondering, why would I want to check if something isn't true? This would be useful if you're doing something like, don't raise my arm while my claw is open. Only raise the arm when the claw is closed. So you could do if, like, claw is open, or if claw is not open, then raise. Else don't raise, or something like that.